Ghee, a form of clarified butter, has been used for centuries in traditional cooking and Ayurvedic medicine. When made and consumed properly, ghee can offer several health benefits. Here's what should be in good, healthy ghee, its nutrient value, and why it can be a better choice than some oils. What should be in good, healthy ghee? 1. Pure ingredients. High-quality ghee should be made from pure, unsalted butter derived from grass-fed cows or other healthy animal sources. 2. No additives. It should be free from preservatives, artificial flavors, or chemicals. 3. Clarified. Properly. Ghee is made by simmering butter to remove water, milk solids, and impurities, leaving behind pure butterfat. 4th. Rich in nutrients. Good ghee should retain fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, K, and healthy fatty acids. Shiru. Nutrient value of ghee. Ghee is nutrient-dense and contains 1. Healthy fats. Saturated fats, about 60 to 70%. Monounsaturated fats, about 25 to 30%. Polyunsaturated fats, about 2 to 3%. 2. Fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin A supports vision, immunity, and skin health. Vitamin D promotes bone health and immunity. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant. Vitamin K supports blood clotting and bone health. 3. Conjugated linoleic acid, CLA. Found in ghee from grass-fed cows, CLA may support weight loss and reduce inflammation. 4th. Butyric acid, a short-chain fatty acid that supports gut health and reduces inflammation. 5. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. In balanced proportions, these support heart and brain health. Why ghee is better than some oils. 1. High smoke point. Ghee has a smoke point of 485 degrees Fahrenheit, 250 degrees Celsius, making it stable for cooking at high temperatures without breaking down into harmful compounds. 2. Lactose and casein-free. Ghee is free of milk solids, making it suitable for people with lactose intolerance or dairy sensitivities. 3. Rich in healthy fats. Unlike refined oils, ghee contains beneficial fatty acids and vitamins. 4th. Long shelf life. Ghee is resistant to rancidity and can be stored without refrigeration for months. Health benefits of good ghee. 1. Supports digestive health. Butyric acid in ghee nourishes the gut lining and promotes healthy digestion. 2. Boosts immunity. The antioxidants and vitamins in ghee strengthen the immune system. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ghee contains fatty acids that help reduce inflammation in the body. 4th. Promotes heart health. In moderation, ghee can improve cholesterol levels by increasing HDL, good cholesterol. 5. Enhances brain function. Healthy fats in ghee support cognitive function and nervous system health. 6. Aids. Weight loss. CLA in ghee may help reduce body fat and improve metabolism. 7. Improves skin and hair health. The vitamins and fatty acids in ghee nourish the skin and hair, promoting a healthy glow. How to use ghee for health. Use it as a cooking fat for sautéing, frying, or baking. Add a teaspoon to warm beverages like coffee or tea. Use it as a spread on toast or in place of butter. Incorporate it into traditional dishes like curries or dals. Caution. While ghee is healthy, it is calorie dense, about 120 calories per tablespoon. Consume it in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Overconsumption can lead to weight gain or elevated cholesterol levels. In summary, high-quality ghee made from grass-fed sources is a nutrient-rich, versatile fat that offers numerous health benefits when consumed in moderation. It can be a healthier alternative to refined oils due to its stability, nutrient profile, and digestive benefits.